Today I'll be taking off all the tape, all the masking. I'm going to put the seats on. I'm going to put the rear backup lights on, work on doing the flag holder and the rear diamond plate box, the utility box that's going to go in the back of this, and double check, make sure all the lights and everything still work, the horn still works, everything's good, and do a little touch up. And then I'm just waiting on that seal for the crankshaft. I can't do much until I get that seal in. I don't think I'm supposed to get that for another 4 or 5 days. But at least now, if I can get this done, the car will basically be close to ready to work on more of the mechanical stuff. And then I'll have my daughter do more of the decals and more of the decorating stuff to get it finished up. So my daughter did some more work on the seats when I was gone. I had purchased some of this. It's basically like a vinyl fixed stuff. It's, you know, self-adhesive. You can cut it to fit, and they tried it a little bit. My daughter brought stuff over to my father-in-law's and they tinkered with it, and long story short is this stuff didn't really work too hot. It wasn't sticking well. They were having a hard time. So what they did end up doing though is cleaning the seats, and my daughter used white duct tape and fixed the corners. So for now that's going to be good. They did a nice job of cleaning them. They were really bad. I've got to do a little overspray paint cleanup on some of these. You know, that's pretty easy to clean that off. And then once that's done, the seats will be ready to go back on. But I'm pretty happy as to how they come out compared to how they were before they started working on them. So she did a nice job. Okay, all set. Got the diamond plate box installed, and now I have installed the flag holder down here and did a little quick touch up of covering up that orange paint that was down there. It'll be a little bit more touch up here and there, but that's pretty much it for now. We're kind of at a standstill, but it's in pretty good shape, and hopefully we'll have some more progress soon.